Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to work on our math workbook pages 463 to 468. If you have your workbook pages and a pencil, you're ready to begin. Otherwise, pause the video, make sure you get your workbook pages and something to write with, and we'll begin. All right, boys and girls, we're going to continue using 10 frames to make numbers, but we're going to be making some higher numbers today. We're going to be making numbers in between 16 and 19. If you remember at the beginning of the week, we've made numbers between 11 and 15. We're going to take that one step further. Okay, boys and girls, what I want you to do is the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take a crayon and you are going to show me 10 counters in this top 10 frame. So you remember, if a 10 frame is full, boys and girls, if a 10 frame is full, it has 10 in it. Okay, let's see if Miss Brockman can draw our counters. There we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 counters in the first box, like that. Good job. Now what I want you to do is we are going to put 8 counters in the bottom box. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to have 8 in the bottom box. And then, what does this give us together? So remember, boys and girls, you can count every one of the counters, or we know that every full 10 frame is 10. So we can start at the number 10 and count forward. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you're going to write a 1 and an 8. Remember, this first number tells us how many sets of 10 we have, and the second number tells how many extras we have. So if you have 10 and you do 8 more, you have a total of 18. Good job, boys and girls. This should be looking very familiar to you guys right now. So let's do 2 more together, and then I'm going to turn you loose on a few of these pages. Okay, so if you turn the page, you see number 1 in a blue circle, and you have some 10 frames with apples in them. Now, the first one's done for us, but let's work through it together. Okay, so we know that this is a full 10 frame, so we don't even have to bother counting each one in there because we know a full 10 frame is 10. I want everybody to trace the number 10. Good job. Now, this next 10 frame is not full, so we're going to have to go ahead and count the apples in that 10 frame. Count with me, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 more. So if you have 10 and 6 more, how many do you have altogether? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Good job, boys and girls. Let's trace the number 16. We're going to do one more together, and then I'll let you do some problems on your own. I want you to look at the second set of problems. It is a red apple with the number 2 in it. Now, if you look over here on the end, this end writing line tells us how many we have in total, and we're going to break that up into 2 parts, one part of 10 and some extras. This is the number 17. 17. What does 17 tell us, boys and girls? That's right, we have one full set of 10 here, so we're going to write 10 on the line. And then how many extras do we have in this second 10 frame? You got it, there are 7 more. So 10 and 7 more give us 17. Now I want you guys to pause the video and do numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, and then come back to me and we will do number 7 together. Pause the video now. Good job, boys and girls. I hope you found that to be relatively easy since we've been doing this week. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw and do what's called illustrate all of it. So what this problem tells us is it gives us our 2 parts, and we need to figure out what the whole is. What do we have in all when we draw these counters? So this first number is 10. In this first 10 frame, we're going to put a counter in each 10 frame. And when we do that, we have 10. Now, how many are we going to put in this next one? 7. Good job, boys and girls. We have 7 in this one. All right. Good job, boys and girls. Now, if you have 10 and then 7 more, you can count on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. That's right, boys and girls. Now, I don't know if you guys heard, but we had a little Callie and Colt action in the background there, helping us out just a little bit. All right, boys and girls, I want you to go ahead and turn off the video, and I want you to do numbers 8 by yourself. Go ahead and go through your homework packet. It's just the same as we've been doing. Have your mom and dad check it, give you a big smiley face, and I'll see you tomorrow for your next math lesson. Love you guys. Goodbye.